VW Golf is set to go electric as the entry-level ID2 EV with upgraded MEB Plus platform. So it'll be a little bit bigger than the ID vehicle. Volkswagen is not letting its iconic Golf brand ride off into the sunset as the auto industry trades in its gas-powered cars for upgraded zero-emissions EVs. Instead, the Golf brand will live on as the VW ID2. Well, where do they put the Golf in? Where's the Golf part of that? After ending production of the e-Golf electric car in December 2020 to focus on a new generation of EVs, VW announced in 2021 it was planning to wind down Golf sales in North America, leading many to question if the automaker would leave the brand in the past. VW CEO of passenger cars Thomas Schaefer was quick to shoot this down, claiming this past November in a separate interview with the Autocar, there was no way we would let the Golf name go. Okay, but where's the Golf? We might have an ID Golf. VW's 8th generation Golf model set to retire in 2027. An electrical model is widely expected to replace it. Okay. So like maybe it'll be a combo name. Maybe they'll still put Golf on the back, even though it's part of the ID brand. Branding is getting so confusing with the traditional automakers because it's important to them because they have people that for generations have bought a Civic or a Golf or whatever. Take your pick. A Camry, and then they're like, oh crap, everybody wants electric cars, and then they're like, we can't really quickly let them know that our old car is now electric because it gets too complicated. It'd be like, oh, Toyota Camry EV2, and you're just like, and then they're still selling the gas one at the same time, so then they're like, screw it, and Hyundai goes and they're just like, nah, it's Ioniq, and anything that's Ioniq is electric. Right.
But then you have like the Mach-E brand with the Mustang. They still sell the gas-powered Mustang.
For now.
They have the, EV version. But should they tack on the Mustang brand in the EV that doesn't look like a Mustang? That's weird, right?
Dude, that's what I'm saying. It's got all types of complexity and history that for somebody like Tesla doesn't exist. They just come and they're like, it's a Model 3. And it's electric by brand. For the traditional automakers, you don't know that it's electric by brand. And so they're having a hard time articulating that message.
I mean, this kind of looks like a Golf.
I honestly think the Ioniq thing is the best way to do it. For like, just have a new word that goes in between the brand and the model that signifies electric.
Right.
And the word can't be pulled from the origin.
Yeah.
But there's no rule here. I mean, they can do whatever they please, obviously, and they probably do plenty more testing and studies than I do, and they know what their customer base wants, or maybe they don't. But anyway, that looks pretty cool.